Hi everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal as your guide. Today we will be discussing most important MCQ for 31st of December 2021 which are related to the current affairs of banking, economics and financial sector. These series will be extremely beneficial to everyone preparing for banking exams such as IBPS, SBI, RBI Grade B and other banking related papers. Now, let's start with the first question. Which insurance company partner with CSCE Governance Service India to exchange financial stability in Indian rural area? The correct answer of this question is option A, that is Liberty General Insurance. So recently, Liberty General Insurance has partnered with CSCE Governance Service India. The CSCE Governance Service India comes under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. They have partnered to exchange insurance penetration in rural area of India. So basically, Liberty General Insurance will set its insurance product to the rural communities by network of CSCE Governance Service India. At the initial stage of partnership, the insurance company will provide motor insurance like two-wheelers, private car and commercial vehicles. Apart from that, the partnership will help to empower the village level entrepreneur through new skills and knowledge of the product and service, as there will be an expansion of financial inclusions among the rural community. Okay, let's move on some key takeaways for all competitive exam. Liberty General Insurance Limited is a private general insurance company headquarters situated in Mumbai. Apart from that, the CEO is Rupam Asthana and it is founded on year 2013. Now, question number 2. Who among the following inaugurated India's first International Arbitration and Mediation Center, that is IAMC? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Chief Justice of India, that is N.V. Ramana. So recently, India's first International Arbitration and Mediation Center was inaugurated by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana and Telangana Chief Minister, that is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. So recently, the IAMC is set up at VK Tower in Kanchipoli, which is an information technology hub. It is 25,000 square feet temporary accommodation and the permanent land for building will be accommodated by in Hyderabad. So basically, it will help to resolve issues that occur due to the lack of sufficient judges in the law system as well as help to settle commercial dispute also. Now, let's see our third question. Project Amber was launched by which organization? The correct answer of this question is option D, that is Generation India Foundation and National Skill Development Corporation. Okay, so recently the Project Amber was launched by National Skill Development Corporation and Generation India Foundation jointly. The Amber signifies Acceleration Mission for Better Employment and Retention. It aims to fill the gap between skilling and employment. It was launched in India in New Delhi. So basically the Project Amber aims to empower India's youth with skills related to industries and thus grant them various employment opportunity. Apart from that, the project is funded by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship under the Skill Acquisition and Knowledge Awareness for Livelihood Promotion, that is also known as Sankalp, and also private charity. Under the Amber project, 30,000 youth will be trained and 50% among them will be women. Okay. Now question number 4. HAL signed a rupees 2400 crore contract with which organization to develop and supply 20 different types of system for the 83 LCA Tejas Mk1 fighter aircraft program. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Bharat Electronics Limited. So recently, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that is HAL, has signed with Bharat Electronics Limited. The contract was signed to develop and supply 20 types of system for the 83 light compact aircraft Tejas Mk1 fighter aircraft program. Apart from that, the contract worth rupees 2400 crores were signed between both entities. The contract will be active for duration of 5 years, that is from 2023 to 2028. Okay, the order for the same will be developed at the 2 units of Bharat Electronics Limited at Bangalore and Panchkula. Okay, let's move on some to the key takeaways for all competitive exam. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, founded in year 1940. Headquarters situated in Bangalore in Karnataka. And the current CMD is R. Madhava. Okay, now let's see our fifth question. What is the name of the feature plan launched by Bajaj Allianz General Insurance in partnership with Bajaj Finserv Health Limited, which aims to offer holistic healthcare solution? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Health Prime Rider. So basically, the Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has launched Health Prime Rider. This facility can be availed along with the health insurance and personal accident policy of the company. Besides that, the Health Prime Rider aims to offer holistic healthcare solution. To launch this facility and grant various services under this, the insurance company has made a partnership with Bajaj Finserv Health Limited. Apart from that, it covers 4 key areas, namely tele consultation cover, doctor consultation cover, investigation cover, and annual prevention health checkup cover. These benefits can be availed in cashless manner by Careling Yours app of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Okay, so let's move on to the some key takeaways for all competitive exam. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance is a private general insurance company in India, headquarters situated in Pune. Apart from that, it is founded on year 2001. Okay, now start with the important question. Here on the slide, you can see 5 questions that are extremely useful in your banking exam preparation. So pause the video and try to solve each of these questions. And at the end of the lecture, do not forget to share your score in the comment section. So please be honest and do not cheat with yourself. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.